If you're like most of our customers, at this point you're asking, what size window sash should I order? To answer this question, we need to learn a little bit more about your starting point. Many of our customers with homes under construction or renovation start the planning process after they've already created an opening in their wall. These openings, called rough openings, are the industry standard method of installing a window unit. Once the wall framing is covered with wall sheathing, like drywall, the rough opening is ready to accept a window unit into the opening. You can identify a rough opening by its unfinished interior edge that exposes a cross-section of the wall. In this example, a 2x4 wall stud is sandwiched between two layers of drywall, forming a cross-section. A rough opening is the most common starting point for window installation. Do you have a rough opening already built? If so, select Rough Opening as your starting point at the question below. If you're building a new home or starting a renovation and you have not yet framed an opening in the wall, that's okay too. Just choose the starting point below that matches your situation. A final, less common starting point for installation occurs only in completed homes. You may have a finished opening where you're considering placing a window. Let's help you identify the two types of finished openings, a cased opening and a drywalled opening. Cased openings have trim called casing that surrounds the perimeter of the opening. Inside the casing, finished wood jamb material covers the interior cross-section of the wall. Cased openings often serve as walkways between rooms, but they also can be found as pass-through openings. Consider this house photo of a kitchen where a transom was added to a cased opening with very nice results. Drywalled openings are a second type of finished opening. Drywalled openings are found in the same location as cased openings, but do not have any casing around the perimeter of the opening, only drywall. Drywall is also wrapped around and through the interior of the opening, so drywall covers all faces of the opening. Do you have one of these two types of finished openings in your home? If so, select cased opening or drywalled opening to plan the installation of a window into your finished opening.